In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find missing tools in Photoshop and fix the problem step by step. If you've opened Adobe Photoshop and suddenly noticed that tools are missing from your toolbar, don't worry, this is a very common issue. It usually happens because of a customized toolbar, hidden tool groups, workspace changes, or sometimes even minor preference glitches. The good news is that in most cases, you can fix this in under a few minutes. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any of the possible fixes. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Photoshop guides. Let's get started. The first and most common reason tools go missing in Photoshop is because of the Edit Toolbar settings. This is where tools can accidentally get hidden from the main toolbar. Here's how to check it. First, open Photoshop. Then look at the toolbar on the left side of your screen. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of that toolbar and click on the three dots. This opens the Hidden Tools menu. From there, choose Edit Toolbar. Once the Edit Toolbar window appears, look at the right side of the screen where it says Extra Tools. Any tools listed there are currently hidden from your main toolbar. If you see the tool you're missing, simply click and drag it back into the main toolbar column on the left. If you're not sure what was changed, you can quickly fix everything by clicking the Restore Defaults button. This will reset the toolbar back to Photoshop's original layout. After that, click Done. In most cases, this instantly restores any missing tools. If your tool still seems missing, the next thing to check is tool groups. In Photoshop, many tools are stacked together under a single icon. That means the tool you're looking for might not actually be gone. It could just be nested underneath another tool. For example, the Eraser tool shares a group with the Background Eraser and Magic Eraser. The Magic Wand tool is grouped with the Quick Selection tool. All the Shape tools are stacked together in one group. To reveal hidden tools inside a group, simply click and hold on any tool icon in the toolbar. After holding for a second, a flyout menu will appear, showing all tools in that group. Then you can select the one you need. If tools or panels still look different than usual, the issue might be your workspace layout. Workspaces control how panels and toolbars are arranged, and switching workspaces can sometimes hide elements. To reset your workspace, go to the top menu and click Window. Then hover over Workspace. From the list, choose Essentials, Default. After selecting it, go back to Window, then Workspace again, and click Reset Essentials. This will restore Photoshop's default layout, including panels and toolbar behavior. Many times, this alone fixes the problem. If you've tried all three of these steps, editing the toolbar, checking tool groups, and resetting the workspace, and something still seems wrong, it could be related to corrupted preferences. In that case, restarting Photoshop while resetting preferences may help, but in most situations, one of the earlier fixes solves the issue immediately. So just to quickly recap, first check Edit Toolbar and restore defaults if needed. Second, click and hold tool icons to check for nested tools. Third, reset your workspace to Essentials and reset it. Following this workflow will solve almost every missing tools problem in Photoshop. I hope this helped you fix the issue quickly. If it did, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more simple and practical Photoshop tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.